As a university, St Andrews puts sustainability absolutely at the heart of our operations and our culture.
We've been absolutely delighted to work in partnership with land managers to restore nature at a landscape scale. A collaboration of farmers, estates, businesses, public and voluntary organisations came together to improve the quality and connectivity of habitat at 27 sites along a 16-kilometre corridor. This included getting our own herd of Highland cows and conservation grazing a neglected site of special scientific interest, creating 2 wetland mosaics on campus, planting nearly 2.5 kilometres of native hedgerows and 4.7 hectares of native woodland, establishing swathes of wildflower meadow and restoring a saline lagoon.
We've created a green space that everybody can share. We've had a lot of great feedback from the students and the public as well.
So I have seen it kind of transform from an empty field, and to see it come to life over time has been really beautiful and gratifying.
We have been looking after these Highland cows. Their role is to graze the Triple SI, which runs along the coastland here. We're working on rewilding what's left of the farmland here.
We planted 1 kilometre of hedgerow over 3 different sites. We took out some old fence line and planted it with some new hedgerow. It's going to have a lot of use for wildlife and animals.
It's fulfilled our long-term ambition of trying to create more biodiversity across the estate, but also to bring the community in with that.
This was all made possible with the goodwill and enthusiasm of our project partners, staff at the university, and a whopping 408 volunteers who took part in 38 practical sessions and training exercises. Thank you to you all.